Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we would now like to introduce the air conditioning service devices, AC-300R and AC-300YF by TWIN BUSCH. Depending on the design, AC-300 air conditioning service devices are constructed for air conditioning systems using R134A or the new HFO 1234YF coolant. Servicing is done via an intuitive 4-button control and a large display. The device has a comprehensive vehicle database and can be operated fully automatically. We will now show you a fully automatic maintenance cycle with the TWAC-300R. Note the safety instructions and wear safety glasses and gloves. Connect the high pressure and low pressure hoses to the automobile air conditioner. Then open the valves on the quick couplings. We will now select the service parameters with the help of the database. In the database submenu, we first select the vehicle brand and then the vehicle model. You then arrive directly in the service menu. You can check the set parameters here and reset them if needed. The automatic servicing process starts by activating the first menu item. Open the valves. Confirm the opening of the valves. Recovery is in progress. The suctioned oil is separated after the recovery. The vacuum phase follows, and then the vacuum test. Filling is then finally done with clean coolant and fresh oil. The valves on the quick couplings must be closed after the filling in order to be able to suction residual coolant from the hoses. Lastly, close the valves on the machine again. The hoses can be removed subsequently. If you have acquired the optional printer, a report on the maintenance can now be printed if desired. In addition to fully automatic mode, there is also a semi-automatic mode and the ability to execute all of the sub-steps individually. We will select the manual procedure to reach the service menu directly. As shown in the last part, we could then start the fully automatic mode with the preset parameters. We will now go through the individual service steps to the oil filling option and set this to the lowest value. The horizontal line shows that we are now in semi-automatic mode. If we start the automatic mode again now, The procedure will be carried out semi-automatically. After the recovery, the vacuum and vacuum testing are concluded, the process is halted and the user can determine the quantity of oil that is to be filled based on the separated old oil. The process is then continued as with a fully automatic procedure. You have full control of the service procedure by using the service menu, which you can reach directly via the manual procedure menu item. In addition to starting the fully or semi-automatic mode, which is determined by the setting in the oil filling menu, you can also execute all of the service steps individually and with individually adapted settings.